I made some banana vinegar, so I thought I'd share it with you. It's so simple and a great way to use up your ripe bananas. So all you need to do is mash up a load of super ripe bananas, and then once they're done, pop them into a kilner jar or a sterilised jam jar, pop a bit of muslin cloth over it, leave it for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it will start to ferment and separate and look a bit funky, like a science project gone wrong. You can just see that now. It's almost starting to clarify itself, and the vinegar's sunk to the bottom. And then, I forgot to say, pop a weight in on top as well. I'm just using a freezer bag there to help the banana stay beneath the vinegar, if that makes sense. And then you want to strain it off. So this was bang on 3 weeks, and I'm just letting that drip through a bit of muslin cloth, and you can see you've got this delicious fruity banana vinegar. I wish you could smell it. It's incredible. Almost reminds me of like a banoffee pie. Which is probably what I use it for, or maybe a cocktail or something. And then I'm going to pop it back into a kilner jar because it's still got a sweetness to it, and give it another week to sharpen up a bit.